So what we're looking at here is a fully custom 7-axis CNC machine that's actually fully digital. So this is a digital twin of essentially a robotic arm that is in this case acting as a CNC machine to sculpt a block of marble. And so the point of this is to not only test the vibe coding abilities that I possess, but also see if we can reach the point where we can fully carve some sort of sculpture like the bust of Alexander the Great or something similar. And so in this calibration test, what it's going to do is it's going to put the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 in nice serif font on all four faces of this cube. And so we'll see that now. And we're gonna, it's quite slow at 5 times speed because obviously it's removing the material, but it's a digital twin, so we're gonna bump this up to 25 times speed. And of course, we're able to see that a lot faster. And so we can see it's making the first letter number 1. And as it goes faster, it is making a few mistakes with the material removal, which honestly is something that can be fixed. It's really more of a rendering issue. We can see the cube rotating there, and now we're already on 3. And so we'll slow it down so we can really take a deeper look at this, but it's quite impressive. So this is running at 60 FPS most of the time, and you can see it actually removing the material in real time, and this is all from scratch. So it's quite impressive even to me that we pulled this off, fully in Rust, and it's actually very satisfying to watch it, moving on the track, moving these different axes, really in this precise movement. Yeah, we can see how it's just very smooth to have this working. But yeah, we'll wait for it to complete here, the fourth number of these faces, and then it'll switch over to the original position. And we have a progress bar on the bottom too. But there we go. And so we have our 4 faces, and then of course the fourth one is down there at the bottom. But yeah, that's a little demonstration of, I'm calling this Simiforge, based off of my Simiverse, projects that I kind of keep under the same name. And then this one is Simiverse, Simiforge Stone, because it's carving a marble sculpture. And so yeah, that's a little demo of this. I'm quite happy with how it's turning out, and I think a lot of the hard stuff is done. Now we really just need to translate, the sculpture I want, this bust of Alexander the Great, into the proper G code and then encode it into our digital twins world space.